Hello guys, this is COSSA. Welcome to my YouTube channel. On today's video, we're talking levitation photography. It's a very nice, cool effect to make, but you're gonna need some few things to make it possible. Number one, being a tripod. You need a tripod to make sure your framing becomes still as possible. Number two, you're gonna need a chair or a stool for a model to lay on. Number three, you're gonna need your background. Make sure your background doesn't have any destructive movement so it doesn't kill the effect. Number four, you need a model. Wow. After that, what you have to do, you have to have your model on frame. You snap a pic and you take the second pic with no chair, no model. You snap, make sure you don't touch your camera. If it's possible, use an app that goes with the camera to click on a shutter button, because you really don't have to touch your camera. Make sure that you touch it a little bit so they don't form any movement. Let's go. Let's go.
I can't do this. I can't.
You can. Awesome. So after that, we're gonna jump to Photoshop, make the magic happen. Right now in Photoshop, where magic takes place. So what we have to do right now, we have to actually mask out this chair, or should I say this bucket. So right now we're gonna import our photos here. As we did, we're having the one with the subject and the other one with just the background. So what I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna hit Ctrl C to cut and Ctrl V to paste. So right now, as you can see, we're having two layers selected. So I'm gonna hit layer mask, engine to black, my brush, grab it and zoom in just to make sure I brush this chair out, or should I say bucket. So I have to do it, I have to keep brushing it off. I'm just gonna zoom in a bit and try to do this quite precisely as much as I can. You actually have to take your time to make this quite perfect. You don't have to make sure you don't leave any loopholes there. Nicely. I'm loving this. Zooming out right now. So what I'm gonna do right now, I'm just gonna resize my brush, go to my eraser, and I'm just gonna erase this shadow off. Awesome. Nicely. So one thing I don't actually like is this weird part here, but what I'm gonna do right now, I'm just gonna go to effect and liquify, loading up. So I'm just web tool and resize my brush, just gonna adjust my shade here so it doesn't look weird. Nicely. Awesome. I'm loving this. Quite awesome. Okay, this looks so much awesome so far. Looks so much great. So one thing that is left, I have to add my fake shadow here. So what I'm gonna do right now, with this circle, I'm gonna just stretch it out and head to blur and Gaussian blur, and I'm just gonna adjust my blur here, which is gonna be a little bit light. Nicely. Just gonna keep adjusting it just to make it realistic as possible. Lovely. Okay, just to make it look so much realistic. Lovely. This looks so much dark, so I'm just gonna low time opacity. Awesome, looks so much better right now. It looks so much better. Just gonna try this again, merging all these files. So right now I'm just gonna erase things I don't actually like in this whole photo out, but everything looks so much nice already. So one last thing right now, I'm just gonna color grade, and voila, this looks so much beautiful. I'm loving this. By the way, thanks to our model COSSA for making this shoot possible. She's my young sister. She has a YouTube channel. She talks about cinematography, photography. Please go to my link right now. You'll see her channel. Click, follow her. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching this video. Please let me know in the comment section if you really like this video, and if you really like to see more of this video, consider subscribing and hit that notification bell, and I will see you next time. I love you so much. Peter McKinnon style. Let's go.
I ain't doing that again, man. I ain't doing that no more. You know what? Get that off